And this video shows Cincinnati divided into blocks, and each block becomes a blockchain. And this spatial reference is actually a mapping from a GPS location into a virtual environment on the blockchain. And taking real data from Cincinnati, we can actually track this, and we will use the GPS load in a second. And when we read GPS, it's real data taken from Cincinnati showing in these different squares the actual longitude and latitude for a user over a period of time. And this, with all users, will be used to show congestion. So in this video, we're going to be showing some of the raw data. This is MongoDB. We can see the object ID, which becomes the link between this and the blockchain. And we can see GPS square there, 2, 3, and so forth. And that refers to the actual blockchain based on a Redis proximity finder, which is a geolocation. If we go into Fabric, we can Docker PS and we can see the containers, and we can also do a query in Fabric. So we're using the wallet and we're bringing back all the states based on that blockchain there, the local blockchain. And here we can see the object IDs. And if we take those out into a file, we do a grep on that, we'll see the one we just saw in the MongoDB database come up. And this is the indication of how these chains are linked. It's permission based, and that will be linked into the MongoDB, which is then also linked into the ERC20 token. And you can see the red there on the grep. And then if we go into the actual blockchain and look at the channel, we can see the chain code confirming that relationship. So we're going to quit out of the Mongo, and then we're going to do Docker PS to confirm the exec we need to use, and it's 12D. So we can IT 12D. That's the unique identifier for the container. And then we can go into the shell, and then we can issue the peer channel command. And that will indicate that we have a channel.